In a cozy kitchen, a curious kitten named Whiskers prances around, discovering the world like a mini explorer. Today, his attention is captured by a peculiar sound, a dishwasher humming and clanking in rhythmic sequence. Whiskers, never one to back down from a challenge, decides to investigate, pawing at the mysterious contraption. With a sudden clank, the dishwasher bursts into its spin cycle, causing Whiskers to leap back into a hilarious interpretive dance, batting at air as if orchestrating a symphony. Unbeknownst to him, his owner watches from the doorway, stifling laughter at the kitten's delightful misinterpretation of the kitchen appliance. As the cycle ends, Whiskers gives a triumphant meow, convinced he successfully tamed the metallic beast.